Next, let's demonstrate the woven wheel rose stitch. Let's start with the middle one. Using 6 strands of color number 7. Bring the needle up at the top of the outer outline. Pull the thread. Insert at the center point. First, stitch 5 foundation lines. After stitching the 5 foundation lines, bring up next to one of the foundation lines. Cross over the first foundation line, pass under the second foundation line, then cross over the third line, pass under the fourth foundation line, then cross over the fifth line. Return to pass under the first foundation line. We can follow this pattern. Cross over one line, then pass under the next. Continue this weaving pattern until the foundation lines are completely covered. Weave alternately. Gradually expand outward to create dimension. For the last stitch, insert. Now this dimensional rose pattern is complete. Next, let's look at the right pattern. It's also a rose pattern, but with a circle in the center. We can use French knots as the flower center to make the rose shape more prominent. Using 6 strands of color number 8. Again, we'll stitch 5 foundation lines. Be careful not to pull too tight, or it will be difficult to weave later and won't create dimension. Bring up next to one of the foundation lines. Follow the same weaving steps as before. Weave around the foundation lines, gradually expanding outward. Insert. From the back, move to the center and bring up. Hold the thread with your left hand. Wrap the thread twice around the needle with your right hand. Insert toward the center point. Pull the thread slowly to form a French knot. Now the rose with its center is complete. If the center isn't prominent enough, you can add more French knots to make the center more defined. The woven wheel rose stitch is now complete. Let's look at the finished result.